Shyloh. You like this stylus? No, that's not the true one. Oh my gosh, Shyloh. You think this cord is yarn. Maybe it's because it's pink. I don't know. Shyloh, don't bite on this. Don't bite on this. No, 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 no. That's not yarn. That's not yarn, you silly cat. You're such a goofy cat. Oh my god. Oh, you're such a goofy kitty. So, how's your day, fuzzy butt? Hmm. Hmm. You're such a sweet kitty. Yeah, and like a bunch of people just like this guy. His name is Photoshop Surgeon. That's his profile picture. No one liked him for some reason. Well, he just photoshops people to look beautiful and crap. I mean, the truth is, no, I think everyone's always beautiful, even when they're ugly and stuff. But you know what I mean. I know I'm recording my reflection. Kind of an impossibility. Well, I'm just filming my cat. You don't mind Shy? She's just a silly cat sometimes. She likes it when I give her a massage on her scruff. I don't see the point of photoshopping people to look beautiful and stuff. I just put random stuff together to see how it looks. That's how I Photoshop things. Even though they're trying to be realistic and stuff, but but I don't know. I don't know what to do about that whole photoshopping people thing. You can't stop that though, because like people can do it and stuff, and you can't stop them from doing it because that's an impossibility. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna say goodbye to you all. I'm just drawing a picture of John, by the way, and I hope you guys have fun in YouTube land. I always go to YouTube every day and post comments and stuff. You'll notice my profile picture. Sometimes I pop up in videos and people's videos that I subscribed. Sometimes I don't. It's fine. And bye.